Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed previous one revision of the chapter number 6 6.1 to 3 as a similarity concept we discussed. Criteria of the similarity we done, and today we will discuss about the areas ratio of the areas of two similar triangle. That theorem proof is cut off from the syllabus, so we will not do that one proof, but related questions we have to do. So let us start with the revision of the same topic. NCERT question you have to do by yourself. Related topic we will discuss, and questions also one or two questions. So let us see here as the statement of the theorem. As question statement is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Two triangles we have to take which are the already similarity in the similar way. So suppose here we have given the triangle, one is ABC and another one triangle it is given as a DEF. Then it is given that these two triangles are already similar is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding side. Mean to say whenever the triangle is similar, if suppose I am taking the triangle is similar in the way of as DEF, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, ratio of these areas equal to the corresponding sides. Corresponding side, if I am taking AB, it's correspond to DE, it's a square. Or any another side also, we can take BC upon it is EF, it's a square also. Or we can take here as AC upon DF, it's a square. Okay, this is the concept of the this one theorem. Some more related concepts are there, as for example, it is given here the area ratio of the areas corresponding sides ratio, it's equal to the second one. This is the first one. Okay, second one point is area of the triangle, anyone, if I am taking the name, then its triangles areas are equal to the corresponding its altitude also. Now what is the altitude? From a one vertex, if I am drawing the perpendicular from this one 90-degree angle, suppose it is the M point and here is also as a N point, then their corresponding altitudes ratio, it's a square as AM upon DN, it's a square also. Okay, its corresponding altitudes square, it is also there. Suppose the MCQ can become as altitudes ratio, it is given, and find out the areas, then we can use this one concept. And another one is its median also. If it is given, suppose here I am drawing another one, suppose it is the median, suppose here is another point P and here I am taking, let it is here is a Q point, then where P, BP and PC, what is the median? Median is that one line which bisect the opposite side, as BP is equal to PC and EQ is equal to QF. This part it is given, then ratio of the areas of the triangle, it is equal to the AP upon DQ, it's square. Okay, that is median square. Okay, and third, next one concept is same part as a area of the triangles ratio. These concepts can be used into the MCQs form questions. And one more is there as an angle bisector. Suppose I am drawing here I am drawing now as a triangle ABC and triangle DEF it is given, and angle bisector. Angle bisector mean to say this one, as this line is bisect the angle. Suppose it is the M point and here is a N point which bisect the corresponding angle, then their corresponding these parts square is also equal to the ratio of the square, as area of triangle. Here is DEF, then AM upon it is DN, it's a square. This is as an angle bisector segment. Angle bisector segments. Okay, get it everyone? So these concept is also related to the same topic. Now let us discuss more about it. Now here I have written the some question. As a first question I have written here, if the two triangles are similar as into the way ABC is QRP, then ratio of the areas already it is given 9/4 and two of the sides of the triangle ABC it is given. Now they are asking to us find out the PR length. So we can see here the solution of the first question I am doing. Directly you can see here the triangle ABC is similar to the QRP. So we can see here BC is correspond to the RP, which is we have to find out. So we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, which is equal to 9/4 it is given, which is BC upon PR. It's a square also we can say, right? So this square is goes on this one side with the positive and negative sign, but we will take only the positive sign because it is a length measurement and we will take only the positive sign. Okay, so BC upon PR. So we can say here it is equal to 3/2 as is equal to BC upon PR, and BC value it is given to us, that is 15. So here we are filling the value as a 15. So PR is equal to, what will be the value of the PR? PR is equal to 15 multiplied by 2/3. This will be reciprocal on that side and it is cut out on the 5. So PR is equal to, we can say here the 10 centimeter. Okay, getting the point everyone? So let us see here the question. Let us read the second one question now. It is given here that two isosceles triangles have their corresponding angles are equal. Suppose here I am drawing the two triangles isosceles. It is given D, E and F. These are the isosceles triangle and they are saying corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding mean to say angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. It is given, and then they are saying their area are in the ratio, areas ratios. We can say here by the angle property these two triangles are similar already. So this implies we can use the concept as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle, here is a DEF. What they are asking to us, it is given to us the ratio already 25/36. Okay, and now they are asking find the ratio of their corresponding heights. Heights mean to say here is a perpendicular distance as AM and here is a perpendicular distance as DM. So we have to find out, and already we discussed the heights altitudes are also as into the square part. So we can write here this is equal to AM upon DN, it's a square. Okay, this ratio we have to find out. So it implies it is the square and on this one side it is the square root. So 25 square root is 5 and it is 36 and 6. So ratio of their corresponding height, this one answer will be as AM upon DN is equal to 5/6, or we can say 5:6 is the answer of the question. Okay, I hope you understood the concept, and if you have any query then you can ask me. Okay, and thank you and have a nice day.